process is really where it all starts, as well as knowing what you're looking to attract. If you have a company culture that attracts an all hands on deck environment, you're not going to want to attract somebody who is, it's not my job. I have a very clearly defined job description, and that is my job. So, process is where you discover all of these things, not in the interview. And it's the process that starts with attraction, and it goes all the way through your behavioral assessments, as well as your just the way that you structure that interview process, letting leaders go, just open core on interviews. Sure, there can be some time for that, but there needs to be some standardization there as well, because you are screening for certain behavioral attributes as well as skill attributes. Skill is only half the story. When you dig into the behavior, that's when you find your ideal match with the company as it operates. And then your hire, when you do make a hiring decision, that you're making a hiring decision that is going to be good long term, someone you're going to want to invest in, versus someone who enters the company 1 foot in, 1 foot out, because they already have their set predispositions, which could have been discovered during the process stage.